Today I will show you 4 transitions out of a fan kick. I will demonstrate the first one, which is a fan kick to a squat. So we'll go a little slower and I'll break it down. So you do your traditional fan kick where you swing the inside leg up and over like a rainbow, and then make sure to turn into the pole, turn your entire chest into the pole, follow your momentum, use your momentum, bend both legs, and land on your toe box. So it's nice to wear heels for these couple exercises here so that you can use your toe box, protect your toes, have something to land on and slide on and be able to keep those toes pointed. So we'll go a little slower with this one. Fan kick, bend the inside leg if you need to, turn into the pole, look to your inside shoulder, squat, land on that toe box, come up sexy. Good, I'll show you from the other side. So fan kick, look to the inside shoulder, bend the legs, use that momentum however you like. My pole is on static right now, but if you have it on spin, you can go for a really good little like squatty spin around the pole. It's pretty fun. So you can try it both ways on spin or static. So the next one, transition number 2, is to a sit. So fan kick to sit. It's the same principle. You swing that inside leg up and over, bend it, turn into the pole. This leg, as it bends, it needs to clear the pole, so it needs to come behind and then come into that sit. I'll show you. Bend the leg, turn into the pole, and sit. This one is a little nicer on spin, because after you do that fan kick and go into your sit, you'll get a little spin. I'll show you again. So fan kick, look to the pole, watch, don't bang that leg. Clear the pole, bring it on the other side of the pole. Good, so you can make it your own. You can make it your own style. You can do your sit however you like. You can make it cute. Do like a scissor sit, bend one leg, come out of it however you like. You can make it more dynamic or more flowy. So I'll show you again. Good. So again, the most important part of doing the sit version is just to look at the pole, turn into the inside shoulder, and watch so that you can clear the pole with the inside leg. A lot of times people will slam their leg into the pole, so just be careful, watch out for that. The next one is into a lunge, so fan kick to lunge. First I will demonstrate. It will be the same principles. The inside leg will go behind you. The outside leg will remain on the outside for your lunge. Good. So for this one, something that is helpful and important is you can rest your chest or even your hip, just any part of your center of your body. You can rest it on the pole to help you control it and slide it down, and so that you can get your legs elongated and in the right shape. I'll show you again. The faster you go, the harder it will be to use your body and chest and belly on the pole for support. But if you're a little slower, you can do that for a little help. I'll show you again on the other side. Into the pole. So again, the leg that was on the outside, it stays on the outside for your lunge. And I am controlling it down. This is something that just requires practice. What I mean by that is I'm using a little loosening of my grip and allowing myself to slide down in a controlled manner. And that's just something that comes with time. If you're new to pole dancing, this just takes a little practice. And actually, this is a great one to practice because it will teach you and help you learn how to use your control gently sliding down the pole and not just falling. Okay, so the last one is our more advanced one. It is a fan kick to a drop split. So I highly recommend closed-toed shoes, knee pads, or socks, or not like I have where my toes are exposed because it can beat up your toes. But you can put little shoe covers over shoes like this, and that's really helpful to be able to slide quickly And so the principles are the same. The leg on the outside will stay on the outside for your split. So if you're doing your fan kick with your right leg on the outside, it'll be a right leg split. If you're doing a fan kick with your left leg on the outside, it'll be a left leg split. And when you finish, the same thing, this inside leg needs to come behind you. So no matter what side you're on, the inside leg will come behind. So don't forget to focus on that. It goes like this. I'm slowing it down so you can see. And I bring my chest to the back of the pole, like so. I'm kind of doing a fake split right now, just so you can see the principles of it. But it is a little, I would say, you can do more of a fake split where you're leaning way, way, way behind the pole and showing the booty to the audience. Or you can do more of a straight flat split, but just be careful with that because your chest could slam into the pole if you're keeping your split very square. So I'll show you. Square split, it's a little harder because you have to keep your chest upright and you want to be careful not to slam into the pole. But a non-square split where you're showing more booty to your audience, easier because you can let the chest come behind the pole as you slide down. And you can make it happen a little faster. So I'll show you that again. And I rest on my arm that was on the inside. I rest on that when I finish the split. You can come out however you like. Add more dance choreography of your own. So as you can see, I don't have knee pads or covered shoes right now, so my split is not as dramatic or as fast, but that's okay. If you get all geared up, you can have a really nice drop split. And you don't have to have the splits to be able to do this. Just do your fake split where you lean to the back side of the pole. So you can do a little fake split. I did not warm up my splits or anything before I did that. So that's a good opportunity to do your fake split. I hope that helps give you some ideas of what to do with your fan kick. Thanks for watching.